Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a 60-second chignon bun hairstyle. To start, I've divided off a third of the hair on the right hand side and I'm just going to pop this into a loose ponytail at the right hand side at the nape of the neck. Make a hole above the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Gather the remaining hair and start twisting it tightly towards the head, bringing it over to the right hand side. Pop your fingers back through that hole and pull the twist all the way through. Join the twist with the ponytail using another elastic band. Pull tight to help hide that elastic band, and then I've just added some spray wax just to control any flyaways. Grab that ponytail and again twist it tightly. Add an elastic band on the end and only pull it part way through on the last turn to create a loop. This just makes pinning easier. Then bring the ends over to the left hand side and just tuck that loop underneath the twist. Then secure all the way along that twist with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.